Capcut's best friend, by the way. He is the criminal mastermind and one of the deadliest enemies the Avengers have ever had. He runs the meth business all over New York, which makes him unstoppable. So you're telling me that this guy is smart, discreet, and a genius who knows how to cover his tracks, so it'll be nearly impossible for us to kill him. Where are you going, mister? I'm gonna take him down. Oh, so you think you can take this guy all by yourself? Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Who are you talking to right now? You clearly don't know who you're talking to, so let me clear your way. I am not in danger, Tony. I am the danger. So you are picking up. Yeah, Mr. Parker. Yeah, fine. Remove the remote from my bag? It's not a remote. It's mine. Let me clear things up for you. First of all, I have no need to hide from anyone. That's not what I came here for. And secondly, what you're looking at here is not a corpse doll. When did I what? I've been standing here holding it the whole time. It's been right in front of you. You simply weren't able to see it. That's because I didn't allow you to see it until just now. I'm going to release my Zanpakuto. Shatter, Kyoka Suigetsu. This is my Zanpakuto. Kyoka Suigetsu. Its ability is perfect hypnosis. Keeping a distance between yourself and your opponent is only meaningful when you're fighting someone who owns strength and skills. It's pointless for you to do that with me. I can reach out and touch your heart without even breaking a sweat. I need to keep reaching higher. You become my current. You're blinded by your self-righteousness. From the beginning, no one has ever stood at the top. Neither you, nor me, nor the gods. But soon, that unattainable vacancy at the top will be filled. From now on, I alone will stand at the top. remove this intruder. Green gel. Yes. I appreciate your intentions and your enthusiasm, but I'm not finished speaking yet. Could you return to your seat for now? I can't make out your answer. Green gel, Jagger Jack.
Get you some whipped cream. You know, a drink will go great with this podcast, Dad. Get respect then. Don't let Piccolo know about this, though.
What's good, everybody, and welcome back to the Aura Farming Tournament. How's the lineup looking like today, Chuck?
We got a banger on our hands today, Steven.
We certainly have. Let's have Jeff tell us more on the ground.
Yeah, Steven, on this side, we have Piccolo. Did you just look how relaxed and confident he is? Good to see him back in action in the tournament.
Bro, swear he don't see the camera.
Then we have John, who I have no intel on, but rumor says he likes to keep it 1,000.
Who this nigga think he is?
I have no clue where he's heading to.
Is he a part of the team or something?
Thank you, Jeff, for the analysis. Now let's head straight to the match.
John Dragon Ball. Never heard of him.
That stance looks oddly familiar, though. Where's Mr. Piccolo?
Wait, what's that light in the sky?
It's almost like the Piccolo.
Talk about a sun-kissed technique.
I've never seen someone use it the way he does.
Well, I think you might want to look over there.
No way.
That's nothing but a cheap copy. That stance. There's no way he copied MJ's technique too. Guess I'll have to find out.
But I have to say Piccolo did it better. I definitely agree with you on that. Did you copy MJ's technique too?
Is he okay?
Charles, does that look okay to you?
There's nothing fake about human nature. It's all true. It's all real. Nothing here is fake. Nothing you see on the show is fake. Good morning! Morning, in case I don't see you. Good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Morning! Good